How to change pickup method in the McDonald's app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open McDonald's app on your device. Here, click on Start and Order, which will lead you to this page. Here, to change your pickup method, simply select Pickup at the top or McDelivery. Select the one you prefer. After you've done that, simply add your location by clicking on Pickup and McDelivery again. And after you do that, you'll find your location. Simply click on the store from where you want to order, confirm the selected pickup method, and after that, add products to your cart and check out. This is how to change pickup method in the McDonald's app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.